Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
In this video, I will explain how to configure a Scopus modem. First, ensure your modem is properly connected to its power source and your computer using an Ethernet cable. Next, open a web browser and navigate to the modem's default IP address, commonly 192.168.1.1 or 192.168.0.1. Finally, log in using the default credentials, often admin for both username and password. Once logged in, navigate to the network settings. Here, you will configure the modem's local IP address and its corresponding subnet mask, typically 255.255.255.0. Also, set the default gateway, which is usually the modem's own IP address. Decide whether to enable or disable the DHCP server based on your network setup, allowing automatic IP assignment. For satellite modems, configuring the satellite link parameters is crucial. You will need to input the specific downlink frequency and symbol rate provided by your service provider. Next, select the correct modulation scheme, such as QPSK, 8PSK, or CAM, which determines how data is encoded. Finally, set the forward error correction, or FEC, rate to ensure robust signal reception and error correction. After making all necessary adjustments, remember to save your configuration changes within the modem's interface. It is essential to then reboot the modem for these new settings to take full effect. Once the modem has restarted, perform a connection test to verify that your Scopus modem is now successfully configured and providing internet access.
Thanks for watching, stay juicy, and subscribe.